If you're looking for ideas on how to teach your child at 2-year-old, we have created the Learning Binder 2. Learning Binder 2 is a set of activities that you can do that focuses on the core learning concepts that you can teach at this age. We talk about letters and colors and shapes and all these different foundations that you can do and getting your child ready for pre-K without having to do any messy activities or have to buy a ton of supplies. So basically, you open and play. So let's take a look inside. Every binder that we have comes with a set of learning goals. These are the learning goals that we are going to be working on this binder. So we are going to start with teaching them the letters of their name because that's something that matters to them. We are going to be focusing a lot on color recognition. We have different Velcro activities. So every activity is interactive, it's fun, it's playful. About shapes and how to identify these, and we have different games to play with those shapes.
A triangle. Look, a triangle. See, these are all triangles. You want to put Play-Doh in the triangle?
Before your child is ready to learn the letters, they need to understand a few concepts. They won't be able to know what's the difference between an F and an E if they really don't know the concept of what is different and what is the same. We have our favorite activity, which are these little difference cards that you play with them with the ocean animals as well as with shapes. We really want to create that core concept of understanding what things are familiar, what things are not, what are different, and what are the same. And this is just some of the activities that we have inside the binder. There are tons of activities and games that you can play. All you need is 5 minutes a day and just open your binder and play. So if you're ready, I'll see you on the other side.